Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to get more likes on Tinder. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to get more likes on your Tinder, then here are some tricks you could try working out. The first thing to do in order to get more likes on your Tinder is to make sure you are logged into your Tinder account. Tinder settings are typically tailored to people who live in large cities and want to meet people in their neighborhood or community. You'll probably get more likes if you broaden the geographical area in which you are willing to make matches. So in order to do that, first tap on your profile icon at the bottom right hand corner and tap the settings button from your profile page. Scroll down, and once you find the distance preference option, slide the distance preference to maximum. You can also expand your age range by expanding the button right where you can see age preference. Try expanding your age range a little bit. Tap on the done button at the top right hand corner in order to change the setting. Now, the next thing to do in order to get likes on your Tinder is to use your super like boost. From the main homepage of Tinder, go ahead and find a profile to whom you would like to give super like. Once you find the contact, swipe up the profile all the way up and give a person a super like. Now, in order to receive more likes on your Tinder profile, the next thing to do is to update your Tinder profile. Try making your profile more attractive. You can go to the profile icon at the bottom right hand corner and tap on edit profile right underneath your name. Go ahead and upload more picture on your Tinder by tapping on the plus box and select picture from your gallery or your Instagram account if you've linked to an Instagram, of course, or you can simply tap on the camera icon and take a picture for yourself that you'd like to upload. Apart from that, try updating an attractive bio in the About Me section. Be honest about who you are and what you like. You can include some specific details that might be interesting. Pick your passions, your lifestyle options, enter your job title, and other information in this page. Try to complete your profile in full so that you'll get potential likes and matches for your Tinder profile. After updating all of the information, tap done at the top right hand corner. Try refreshing your home page, and that might help you in getting more likes on your Tinder account. Those were some of the tips you could use whenever you want to get more likes on Tinder. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.